Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm super excited to share with you this new kit. This will be in my shop as of today, the 1st of September. I am doing another collaboration with the wonderful Natalie from LineDotArrow. If you remember, we did a collaboration back in May, our Bohemian kit that we did. We had lots of fun with it, running challenges, giving away freebies and all sorts of things throughout May. So we decided that we wanted to do another project together. So this is our project for September. It's called The Final Days of Summer. Just as before, I've designed half the kit. So mine is 32 pages and Natalie has also got half of the kit. Hers is also 32 pages. So there is so much here to work with. We've also split our pages into 16 of them being colour and 16 in sepia. So if you were to purchase this kit, you potentially could be making two different projects. You could have one in full colour and one in sepia, or a third option would be to combine the two, which is probably what I'm going to be doing with this. But it's huge, lots to work with, as I say. It's called The Final Days of Summer because where Natalie and I live in the UK, Natalie's in the Netherlands. Our summers have been a bit of a washout this year. They've not been particularly cheerful, lots of rain, lots of dreary weather. So we decided we wanted to make a kit that kind of clinged on to the hope that we might get a few sunny days before the autumn sets in. So it's very floral, nice bright colours. There's hints of travel bits in here as well because lots of people tend to go on their travels throughout the summer. So yeah, we really hope that you enjoy this kit as much as we've enjoyed creating it. So let's have a little flip through. So this is the first page. So we've tried to, as I say, get some travel elements in there. So we've got a few different silhouettes and some different places that you might go and visit on your travels. Like I said, lots of florals, lots of bright colours. And then, as I say, we've got the same pages in sepia. So I'm going to show you the colour and the sepia together, just so you can kind of see. So I'm not sure how well it picks up on camera, but sepia, if you don't know, is just a very muted version, so it tends to be very neutral. So they're kind of soft browns, greys, and then darker shades of those kind of colours. So yeah, sepia is a very neutral tone. And then we have this one. I really love this blue floral. I think that's so pretty. But yeah, like I said, lots of florals, lots of bright colours. You'll always get the same page in sepia. So like I said, you could be making two projects, two completely different projects, one in colour, one in sepia. The project that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to combine the two. But yeah, I really love how the kind of colours and the themes and everything have come together. But yeah, like I say, lots of bright florals. Lots of butterflies and birds and all sorts of things that you would find in the summer. So as well as the collage pages, we've got some journaling spots as well. So you can journal inside this ticket and on this envelope. But I actually really like the sepia. I've not done a kit in sepia before, but I really like how it looks. So again, a couple of journaling pages. And another collage page. I really love this one in sepia. I do like that. And then huge, great big flowers up the middle of the page. Okay, and then we come on to our ephemera pages. So they're all of the journal pages. These are the ephemera pages. So we've got a whole page of different types of tabs. So you've got the traditional ones, you've got these ones that kind of have a little circle at the top, and then these are the whale tail tabs. But again, using different sort of colours and things and tickets that you've seen from the kit pages. And again, in sepia. Then we've got an envelope here and some different luggage straps. I thought they would be quite pretty, and they might be quite pretty put on here. Actually, you might be able to make a closure or something with them. And again in sepia. Then we've got this floral envelope with the bird. Really love that bird, so pretty. So we've got that, and then again in the sepia. And of course pockets. And then I tried to make some different pockets, so I've made some slanted ones. And again in sepia. Then we have our tags. So I tried to do them 2 different shapes. So we've got some that kind of have this point at the top, and then you've got the traditional shape on that side. And I really love how these look in sepia as well, actually, especially that middle one. Really love that. Oh, actually, that one's nice as well. They're all nice. What am I saying? Then we have a fussy cut page. So we've got a nice big journaling card here, and then just some fussy bits to cut out. And again, I really like this in that sepia as well. And then we've got some large tags. And I always make these close enough together that you could make them into a trifold if you wished. But then we have it in sepia, and that is the whole of the kit. So as I said, absolutely huge, lots and lots to play with. And this is only half of it. As I say, Nathalie's got her half. I will put the link to her channel down below so you can go and check out her half as well. Just as we've done before with the May collaboration, we are going to be running a series of challenges throughout September. So the first 3 weeks, we'll have a different challenge each week. There'll also be some freebies, so you definitely want to make sure that you're part of the Line.Arrow Facebook group. I will, of course, have my freebies also available in my Ko-fi shop in case you are not on Facebook. But there will be 3 challenges going on. And each Saturday, Nathalie and I will both post a video where we'll show the freebies that we've created for that week and also let you know more information about the challenge. Each week will be a new challenge and a new freebie, but the final week of September will just be a catch-up week. So you don't have to do challenge 1 within week 1. If you are away or busy working or whatever, then that's fine. You can do it throughout the month of September. It doesn't matter which week you do it in. You do, however, need to post pictures of your makes and use the hashtag final days of summer. And just as before, we will have a winner's drawing at the end of the month, but we will be using that hashtag to find you, so it is important that you use it. We are also super lucky that Haystack Crafty Corner and Sweet Pea Papers, those Facebook groups, are also going to be hosting the challenge. And because they are being so generous and hosting our challenges for us and promoting our kits, we have provided some exclusive freebies just for those Facebook groups. So if you want to see those and get your hands on those as well, you need to be part of those 2 Facebook groups. Well, that's all from me today. As I said, there will be another video tomorrow where I will show you the first week's challenge and the first lot of freebies. I will explain the challenge a little bit more, where you need to post and how you need to post in tomorrow's video as well. Today's video was just really a flip through of the new kit. As I say, I am super excited. I know Nathalie is as well. We cannot wait to get started. I really hope that this is something that you enjoy as well. As I say, the fact that we've split it into colour and sepia, there are now just so many options of different things that you could do. I'm really looking forward to see what everybody makes with it. Thank you very much, everybody, and I will see you all tomorrow in the next crafty video.